Hello friends! Ayan, so I'm Teacher Joanne, ang inyong English tutor sa video ito. Today, ang lesson natin ay tungkol sa simple present tense ng verb. Basically ay may tatlong tenses ang verb. Ito ang present tense, past tense, and future tense. Ano nga ba ang simple present tense? Tara, simulan na natin. Okay class, ano nga ba ang simple present tense? So, simple present tense ay nag-express ng habitual action. Pag sinabing habitual action, ito yung mga bagay na lagi nating ginagawa. Simple present tense ay nag-express ng action done in the present time. Ito naman yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa kasalukuyan. At simple present tense na nag-express ng general truth o yung mga pangyayari na totoo o katotohanan. Okay, pag-usapan naman natin si verb. Pag sinabing verb, ito yung action, word, or salitang kilos o galaw. Sa simple present tense, meron tayong mga verb. At narito yung mga examples. Meron tayong tinatawag na be verb. Ito yung am, is, and are. Have, do, play, feeds, travel, cook, live, clean, looks, own, helps. Verb in simple present tense, the verb ends in s or es if the subject is singular. So, subject, siya yung pinag-uusapan. And then, kapag sinabing singular, tumutukoy lamang to sa isang subject. Halimbawa, grandmother sits under the mango tree. So, ang subject natin dito ay si grandmother, si lola ay iisa lang. And then, yung verb na sits ay may s. Kasi si grandmother ay singular. Next, Nicole looks at the picture. So, Nicole is the subject. And then, yung verb niya ay may S. Looks. Okay, meron naman tayong mga third person singular pronouns. So, ito pinapalit natin sa noun, yung mga pronouns. So, he sa lalaki, she, babae, it sa bagay o sa pangyayari. Halimbawa, he feeds the chicken. So, third person singular pronouns. Ang verb niya ay may S. She brushes her hair. So, she, third person singular pronouns. Ang verb niya ay may ES. So, ES kasi yung verb na brush ay nagtatapos sa SH. Yung verb din na nagtatapos sa CH ay dinadagdagan din natin ng ES yung verb kapag yung subject niya ay singular. Okay, next, paano naman if yung subject is you or I? So, the verb does not end in S or ES. Halimbawa, you travel every day. Next, I clean my room before I go to school. So, kapag you and I, yung verb ay hindi nagtatapos sa S and ES. Next, paano naman kapag yung subject is plural? So, pag sinabing plural, ito ay more than one na. So, higit sa isa na yung subject o yung pinag-uusapan. Kapag plural yung subject natin, yung verb niya ay hindi nagtatapos sa S or ES. Halimbawa, Nicole and Ivan's grandparents live in Nueva Ecija. So, ang subject natin dito ay si Nicole and Ivan's grandparents. So, ito na ay plural. More than one na ang pinag-uusapan. Kaya mapapansin nyo, ang verb niya ay walang S. Yung live, wala siyang S. Next, children play basketball. So, children is plural. So, ang kanyang verb ay walang S or ES. Next, they own a farm. So, they, ito ay pronoun, pero ito ay plural. So, ang kanyang verb ay own na walang S or ES. Okay, sunod naman natin yung tinatawag na time expressions. So, kahit saang tenses naman po ng verb, ay mahalaga yung time expressions. Sa simple present tense, narito yung ilan sa mga ginagamit na time expressions. Okay, yung una yung word na every. Then, idadagdag natin yung word na day or yung araw. So, every day, araw-araw, every week, kada linggo, every month, kada buwan, every year, kada taon, pwede rin pong every weekdays. Pag sinabing weekdays, ito yung Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Pag sinabi namang every weekends, ito yung Saturday and Sunday. So, pwede ring every Monday, or every morning, every afternoon. Next ay yung once, twice, and thrice, and so on. So, halimbawa ay once a day, once a week, twice a month, thrice a year. So, ito yung mga time expressions na ginagamit sa simple present tense. Halimbawa, Chris helps grandfather water the plants and feed the animals every morning. Number 2, they play with their cousins every afternoon. Number 3, she cooks food once a day. So, mapapansin nyo dito ay nasa end ng sentence nilalagay yung time expression. So, pwede rin naman siya sa beginning ng sentence. Okay, let's practice. Direction. Fill in the spaces with the correct form of the verb in simple present tense. Example, I play yung nasa loob ng open and close parenthesis. Then, yung correct form ng verb niya ay play pa din kasi yung ating subject ay I. So, sabi kanina, kapag I and you, walang S or ES yung verb. Kaya, I play the guitar. Example number 2. Jessica, nasa loob pa rin ng open and close parenthesis ay play. Pero ang tamang correct na ng form ng verb in simple present tense ay plays. Bakit plays? Kasi si Jessica ay singular. So, pag singular ang pinag-uusapan o ang subject, ang verb niya ay merong S. Kaya, Jessica plays the guitar. Okay, let's answer this activity. Ito ay 15 items. Are you ready? Okay, let's start now. Let's check your answers. And here are the answers. Number 1, I am 16 years old. Number 2, Chris lives at 143 Sitio de Laen. Number 3, Anna cooks dinner for her family. Number 4, they eat lunch at 12. Number 5, Aaron takes medicine when he is sick. Number 6, I like chocolate. Number 7, he drives a nice car. Number 8, we want to see a movie tonight. Number 9, he teaches chemistry at Central Luzon State University. Number 10, they study English at school. Number 11, I want to go home now. Number 12, Rose and Rio drive to the mountains every year. Number 13, we eat pasta once a week. Number 14, it rains here in June. And number 15, when Elaine takes a shower, she washes her hair with shampoo. Did you get the correct answers? Very good! Paano mag-construct ng sentence using simple present tense? So, tatandaan lang natin yung formula na subject plus verb plus time expression. Pero time expression is optional naman. So, halimbawa, Jody and Janine, yung ating subject. Ito ay more than one. So, ito ay plural. Wash clothes. Kaya wash kasi nga ay Jody and Janine ay plural. So, Jody and Janine wash clothes every weekends. So, meron tayong time expression. Pwede namang, they wash clothes. So, walang time expression. So, optional si time expression. Okay, punta naman tayo sa simple present tense affirmative sentence. Pag sinabing affirmative, ito ay positive sentence. Halimbawa, I read books every day. You read books every day. We read books every day. They read books every day. So, ito ay walang S. Dahil we and they is plural. And then I and you, dapat walang S or ES sa kanilang verb. Next, she reads books every day. He reads books every day. Okay, yung verb ay may S. Dahil ito ay third person singular pronouns. Meron din tayo mga simple present tense negative sentence. So, lalagyan lang natin ng don't. I don't read books every day. You don't read books every day. We don't read books every day. They don't read books every day. Kapag singular naman, ang ilalagay natin ay doesn't. She doesn't read books every day. He doesn't read books every day. Okay, ngayon naman ay yung simple present tense questions. Yung do and does questions o yung short questions. So, magdadagdag lang tayo ng do and does. Halimbawa, do I, do you, do they, do we, does she, and does he. So, i-connect natin siya dito. Do I read books every day? Okay naman ay, do they read books every day? And does he read books every day? So, pwede pong ganon. Okay, so pwede naman din natin lagyan dito ng always, yung adverb of frequency, kung gaano kadalas ginagawa yung isang kilos bago dun sa verb. Halimbawa, do I always read books every day? Do they always read books every day? Does he always read books every day? Okay, yung mga pag-construct natin ng short questions ay i-connect natin sa totoong buhay. Ayan, para mas makarelate tayo. Para mas makagawa tayo ng mga questions. Ayan. Siyempre, kapag may questions, merong answer. So, ganito lang yan. So, sasagot ka lang ng yes and no. And then, kung ano yung tanong, kung do I, so ang sagot ay dapat ay yes, I do. Kung hindi naman ay no, I don't. Pag do you naman, so dapat yes, you do. Or no, you don't. Pag does she, ang sagot ay yes, she does. Or no, she doesn't. So, ganun lang. Meron tayong mga halimbawa dito ng questions. Halimbawa ay, do you drink coffee? Do they cook every day? Does she sing at school? Does he ride a bike? Do they bake cakes? Do you always pray before meal? So, ito po ay mga halimbawa ng simple present tense short questions. So, meron tayong mga WH questions. What? Ano? When? Kailan? Where? Saan? Who? Sino? Which? Alin? And why? Bakit? Then, idudugtong lang natin tong short question. Halimbawa ay, what do you read? Ano ang binabasa mo? Where do you read? Saan ka nagbabasa? Why do you read? Bakit ka nagbabasa? And pwede naman din natin lagyan ng adverb of frequency. So, before yung adverb of frequency before yung verb. Halimbawa, what do you usually read? Ano yung madalas mong binabasa? And where do you usually read? Saan ka madalas nagbabasa? So, pwede pong lagyan ng adverb of frequency. Okay, that's all for today. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Okay, goodbye. Keep safe and God bless.